Understanding retirement account distributions and Social Security is crucial for a secure financial future. This guide will walk you through the key concepts and best practices to help you navigate these complex topics. First, let's discuss retirement account distributions. There are several types of retirement accounts, including 401k, IRA, and Roth IRA. Each has its own set of rules regarding distributions. Generally, you can start taking penalty-free distributions from your retirement accounts at age 59.5. However, you must take required minimum distributions from traditional 401k and IRA accounts starting at age 72. Next, let's talk about Social Security. Social Security is a government-run program that provides a steady income stream to eligible recipients. Your Social Security benefits are based on your earnings record and the age at which you choose to start receiving benefits. You can start receiving Social Security benefits as early as age 62. But your benefits will be reduced if you start before your full retirement age. It's essential to consider how your retirement account distributions and Social Security benefits interact. For example, if you take distributions from your retirement accounts, it may affect your Social Security benefits. Additionally, Social Security benefits may be taxable, depending on your income level. To maximize your retirement income, consider the following best practices. First, delay taking Social Security benefits until your full retirement age or later to increase your monthly benefits. Second, consider Roth IRA conversions to minimize taxes on your retirement account distributions. Third, create a sustainable withdrawal strategy to ensure your retirement accounts last throughout your retirement. In conclusion, understanding retirement account distributions and Social Security is critical for a successful retirement. By following the key concepts and best practices outlined in this guide, you can create a secure financial future and enjoy your retirement with confidence. Remember to consult with a financial advisor to determine the best strategy for your individual circumstances.